Hello everyone, so today we are back with another video, and this time we will let you know how much should the law firm spend on their marketing. So now in terms of the ad spend for their marketing, we can try to do the ads for law firm on various platforms. Some of them can be like Google, Facebook, and then we have the Microsoft ad side of things. So now let's dive deep into what should be the budget in terms of the campaigns that we can do for these platforms. For example, we are running the ads on Google. We need to see what type of campaign that we need to run, meaning the service that we are doing the ads for. Also, what is the location and the competition for that specific website. Also, for example, when we are trying to running the ads for the personal injury lawyer, normally the cost per click ranges between $35 to $50, and based on the competition we can try to do the budget of around $2,500 to $3,000 in a month. That way we should be able to see some good quality leads coming in, considering we normally have 10 to 15% conversion rate for that type of account. So now what we have seen is there are some other competition or the location where the cost per click goes very high. We have worked with the client in US. They were spending around $25,000 and the cost per click for their keyword was near to $500 to $600 just for a click. So the cost per conversion was very high. They were getting good conversion rate. The conversion rate was near to like 15% to 20% for their campaigns, and that's how we have been able to see good quality leads coming in. The type of campaign that we should be running is that we should be starting with the search campaign. The only thing is that we need to have separate campaign for each service that we offer. For example, separate campaign for the personal injury lawyer, and then we need to have separate campaign for the divorce lawyer, and then we need to have separate campaign for DUI attorney, and then so on. That way we will be able to see what works best for us, and then based on the quality leads we can do the budget management. Once we have the Google campaign sorted out, we can try running the call only ads as well. For the call only ads, the cost per click will be almost double to what we are paying for the search campaign, and once we see which type of campaign works well for us, the budget management can be done. We can also start the remarketing campaign with some kind of offer. The offer can be as like a monetary discount, or the offer can be giving them free consultation worth $500. So those type of strategies also works really very well. We can start doing the Facebook lead ads for us. What we have seen is the Facebook lead ads works better in terms of getting the quantity leads, but the quality of leads can be questionable because the visitor, they will be filling the form on Facebook itself. They will not be going to the website, and they may not know the service that we offer. That way we will see what works best for us. On the Facebook lead ad side of things, we can start with like $2,000 to $2,500 in terms of the budget. Once we are able to see which one of these are working better, then the budgets will be reassessed accordingly. The remarketing campaign can be started on the Facebook itself. That way we can show the visitor that we have good social media presence, and they will have positive image of our brand name in their mind. Then we can try to do the ads on the Microsoft side of things. From Google, we should be able to see what keywords works best for us, and then we can just shift those converting keywords to the Microsoft ads side of things. Once we are able to see what type of campaign works well, we can do the budget management accordingly. We definitely need to make sure that we are doing all the ad extensions possible. That way we will have good quality score going forward. Higher the quality score means the lower the CPC. So if you have any Google ads running or any PPC ads running, being a lawyer, you can contact us for the free audit, In the audit, we will let you know what you are doing and what you need to do in order to maximize the ROI from the campaigns. Also, if you do not have any ads running, then you can still contact us. You can share with us the website URL, the monthly budget, and the location targeting. We can do the research and then we'll be able to get back to you with the proposal on what you should be spending to get the quality leads from these platforms. You can contact us through WhatsApp. There's a number on top right corner. You can contact us by visiting our website as well.